Yeah, check this out. So I got my GoPro chest thingy to hold my camera so it can be hands-free a little bit, but the train in the background too, I just heard, and I think I got a luggage tag thingy here. Coincidence, I hear the train, and I'm pretty sure this is a luggage off one of the trains. I see 1904 fare something. Roosevelt. Something. So I think I see Roosevelt 1904. Something. I think I see Washington down there. Washington Fairgrounds or something like that. Wow. Huh, what the hell is this? Is this some kind of a tag from Roosevelt? 1904. Fair train. Washington or something? That is wicked cool. It was from President Roosevelt. So I'm back here at the river today, and we had a lot of rain last night. And it's definitely filled. Usually this was a lot lower. So it's a little higher, but I'm still here. Still detectable. And I'm going to do it. So it's my first find. I just got here. Huh. 1903. 1904, excuse me. Roosevelt tag. Man. We're going to have this looked at. Wonder if that was from President Roosevelt or not. Huh. Yeah. Looks like a baggage tag or something. Cool.